Today, I'll walk you through how to create a plot grid on Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a structured plot grid so you can organize your story ideas effectively. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, look for the app's icon in the upper right corner. It looks like a grid of dots. Click on that. This will give you access to all of Google's applications. Next, select Google Sheets from the list of apps. This will open a new tab with Google Sheets ready for you to use a clean slate for your plot grid. Now click on the option to create a blank spreadsheet. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a fresh spreadsheet with empty cells ready for your input. To create your plot grid, we need to simplify the layout. So, delete columns G through Z. This will give you a more manageable workspace. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Now let's start labeling our columns. In column A, type chapter. This will help you keep track of the different sections of your story. Next, in column B, enter timeline. This column will serve as a chronological reference for your plot events. Moving on, in column C, label it main plot. This is where you'll outline the primary storyline. In column D, type subplot. This will allow you to detail secondary storylines that complement the main plot. In column E, add subplot B. This gives you even more flexibility to explore additional narratives. Finally, in column F, type summary. This will help you summarize each chapter or plot point succinctly. Now that we have our structure, let's beautify our grid for better visibility. Start by selecting the first row and making all the text bold. This will make your headers stand out. Next, align the text to the center. This simple adjustment will give your plot grid a cleaner look. Then, change the text color to white and fill the background color to black. This contrast will enhance readability and ensure a better viewing experience. After that, adjust the height of the rows to fit your text. This will prevent any awkward cutoffs and make your grid more visually appealing. To keep your workspace tidy, delete any remaining unnecessary rows. Select the first remaining row up to the last and click on Delete Rows 3 to 1000. This will create a cleaner view of your plot grid. Finally, let's refine our grid further. Click on Format and select Wrapping. This will ensure that any long text entries are fully visible within the cells. Then click on Wrap to activate this feature. And there you have it. You've successfully created a plot grid on Google Sheets. This structured approach will help you organize your thoughts and ideas effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.